So to start making this project, you're gonna need a DC water pump. You're also gonna need some aquarium tubing. Now for the electronic components part, you're gonna need an IR sensor module, a TIP32C PNP transistor, and a 1 kilo ohm resistor. For the container, I'm using this plastic box, but you can also use a glass jar. Now we need to drill 2 holes, one for the pipe and one for the wire. Now you need to fit one end of a pipe to your DC water pump. Now drive your pipe and your wire through the cap of the plastic box. Now using hot glue, mount your IR sensor and your transistor on the cap of the plastic box. Here's the circuit diagram for this project. After that, you can cut the extra piece of aquarium tubing. So now our electronic part is done. Now we just need to insert this. This is a bendable wire. So this is a mist sprayer nozzle, but you can also use a pen cap. We need to use this because the flow of sanitizer will be a lot, so make sure that it does not get wasted. We limit the flow using this.